quickly.
Yeah, I'll say.
How's your experience right now?
Why don't you experiment on me? Tell me when.
Right now, go.
I'm so happy to be here, Anita and Jane. And boy, oh boy, I'm speechless.
Yeah, no, sorry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. And everybody could please turn off your cell phone ringers. Hello, and welcome to the celebration of Anita and Jane. Look at the two of them, aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. Proclaim their love to the world, and we rejoice with and for them. Anita and Jane, in presenting yourselves here today, you perform a remarkable act of faith. This faith can grow and mature and endure, but only if both of you determine to make it so. A lasting and growing love is never automatic, nor guaranteed by any ceremony. Let the foundation of your union be the pure love you have for each other, not just at this moment, but for all the days ahead. Honor faithfully the statements and commitments that you bring here today. Faults will appear where now you find contentment, and wonder can be crushed by the routine of daily living. I promise above all else to live in truth with you, and to communicate fully and fearlessly. I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace, and pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to yours. Jane, if you would repeat after me. I, Jane, take you, Anita, to be my partner in life. I promise above all else to live in truth with you, and to communicate fully and fearlessly. I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace, and pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to yours. And now for the rings. Wedding rings are made precious by our wearing of them. The rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together. Let these rings also be a sign that love has substance as well as soul, a present as well as a past, and that, despite its occasional sorrows, love is a circle of happiness, wonder, and delight. Anita, take Jane's ring out and put it on her finger, and repeat after me. Just as this circle is without end, my love for you is limitless. Just as it is made of indestructible substance, my commitment to you will never fail. With this ring, I take you to be my best friend. All right, and if you would, repeat after me. Just as this circle is without end, my love for you is limitless. Just as it is made of an indestructible substance, my commitment to you will never fail. And with this ring, I take you to be my best friend and partner for life. Anita and Jane, your lives and spirits are joined in a union of love and trust. Above you are the stars, and below you the earth. Like the stars, your love should be a constant source of light, and like the earth, a firm foundation from which to grow. As you have consented in this ceremony in the presence of friends and family to be partners for life, I now pronounce you married and bound together, body and soul. You may seal your union with a kiss. Family and friends, may I now introduce to you the newlyweds, Anita and Jane.
I sent you some videos.